Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Creating a captivating front yard involves a blend of creativity and practicality, turning the entrance of your home into a welcoming oasis. Begin by incorporating diverse plantings such as colorful perennials, shrubs, and flowering trees to add layers of textures and visual interest. Define pathways with natural materials like stone or gravel, guiding visitors through your garden with a sense of exploration. Consider introducing a focal point such as decorative fountain or a statement sculpture to anchor the space. Utilize strategic lighting to highlight key features and extend the enjoyment of your garden into the evening. Incorporate with flower blends or planters along the edges to add depth and make maintenance more manageable. Opt for harmonious color palette that complements your home's exterior, creating a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look. Install a charming bench or swing to provide a cozy space or a spot for relaxation. Don't forget about incorporating functional elements such as bird bath or bird feeder to attract local wildlife. Utilize native plants to promote sustainability and attract pollinators, contributing a healthier ecosystem. Integrate landscaping elements like decorative rocks or mulch to define spaces and reduce maintenance. Personalize the space with garden unique ornaments or personalized engage, adding a touch of character with thoughtful planning. Your front yard can become a showcase of beauty and a source of pride for your home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.